What a beautiful Friday. Look how busy Carlsbad is right now. I had to show you this one because yesterday at this time when I showed you this, it was still cloudy. Well, everybody cleared out to sunny skies today. There we go. As we zoom out, you can see how everybody's enjoying the water right now and that sunshine. So those clouds did clear out. There were a few spots that took a while. From Oceanside up through Camp Pendleton, it did take a while to see those sunny skies, but everybody else were enjoying the sunshine, and we're going to be seeing more sunshine into this weekend, faster clearing of the marine layer and a shallower marine layer. In fact, some inland neighborhoods this weekend aren't even going to wake up with those clouds. So temperatures a little bit warmer along our coast. Oceanside, La Jolla, downtown at 71 degrees, 74 in Kearney Mesa, 10 degrees warmer in El Cajon. Ramona was in the 90s today. We're at about 106 in the deserts. So as we head into tonight, temperatures are going to be really nice. By 5 o'clock, some coastal areas still in the 70s. By 7 o'clock, we're down to 67, and then we're dropped down to the low to mid 60s as we head into the overnight hours. And we will see areas of fog tomorrow for the coast and inland neighborhoods. When we talk about a shallower marine layer, that means it's not as high off the ground, it's closer to the ground. So we're going to be dealing with more fog in the morning, but it is going to lift and clear out a lot faster as well. Inland neighborhoods, your Friday night, 7 o'clock, 75 degrees. Go ahead, have dinner outdoors tonight. It's going to be beautiful. Temperatures drop down to the low 60s, maybe a few 50s for the cooler spots by tomorrow morning. All right, let's talk about that fog. So this is at 6:30 in the morning tomorrow. We're looking at areas along the coast, maybe out to the 15 corridor, but that's basically as far inland as we're going to be seeing that fog rolling. So areas like Kearney Mesa, Claremont, Tierra Miramar, Mira Mesa, maybe out to El Cajon, and Chula Vista also would be included in that, areas of downtown, but not in areas like Escondido, Ramona, Alpine. The farther out you go, the less likely you're going to see not only clouds, but especially fog. Tomorrow is going to be warmer because we are going to see faster clearing of the marine layer. I'm forecasting 90 in Escondido, just shy of that in Poway. Low to mid 70s along our coastline, downtown at 75 degrees, 76 in Chula Vista. The hottest spots will be Ramona and Alpine, 93 degrees in Ramona. Besides the deserts, Ocotillo Wells are getting close to 110 degrees tomorrow, and mostly mid 80s in the mountains. So what's happening? Well, high pressure that has been really centered over the Midwest and the East is starting to expand west, so that warmer air is starting to roll in. However, this little system is going to be diving south early next week, and that's going to keep temperatures from staying too hot for very long. So we're actually going to be very lucky here on the west coast. All right, here's the marine layer. A lot patchier in the morning, a little bit more foggy. Not expecting to see those clouds last very long. Inland neighborhoods clearing out by mid-morning. Some coastal areas may take until late morning, but that's about it. A lot faster clearing of the marine layer this weekend, but again, patchy fog could be an issue at times. That's going to be both Saturday and Sunday. Next week, we'll see a minor dip in temperatures, and we'll see the marine layer spreading farther inland. Fog won't be as likely. We'll more likely wake up with clouds than fog next week, and we'll see slower clearing, but still clearing out to sunny skies. A few 90s tomorrow, and maybe even into Sunday, especially in Ramona. And then we're cooling off to the low to mid 80s next week. 4th of July looks picture perfect. The mountains, we're going to be in the 80s through the extended. Now, we will notice some gusty winds in the mountains and deserts this weekend. I'll talk more about that in our next half hour. And the heat coming to the deserts, peaking on Monday.